Hey everyone, thanks for joining again. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel so you get the latest updates. Today's video is all about Toronto. Driving down to Toronto, it's a beautiful skyline with the CN Tower and a lot of beautiful scenery there as well. Wanted to just show you guys our tour and our visit of Toronto. It was raining a bit, so we caught a little bit of that aesthetics as well. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Catch you in the next one.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
For all time's sake. As time goes by. Time's sake. As time goes by. Been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. For all time's sake. Time's sake. As time goes by. Been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by.